Whew. Need to remember where I'm at. Type shit. Ooh, it's a Camaro. It's a Camaro. Let's see if he do something for the camera. Let's see if he do something for the camera. He like, what the fuck does he have on his head? His ass got me dead. He's funny as hell. His ass scared as hell. He like, that nigga scared as hell. He said, this is who we're letting drive. Look at the fucking city. But I don't know if you guys can see or not. Let me see. Okay, yeah, you guys can see. Man, look at the fucking city. All this smoke. This shit is gay. Let's get the barking bits. The fuck is there traffic for? Damn, I'm talking too much. I'm gonna let the car talk now. I'm gonna let the car talk now. Look at the city though. I know y'all can't hear shit. Man, look at the hazy ass city. Gay as hell. That's my city dome gang. I need to remember to keep my head down when I'm recording. Fuck is this big ass dump truck getting over for? Like, what the fuck? How you going so slow that a dump truck gotta get over? Like, that means you're going too fucking slow. Oh, traffic. Was not expecting that. Yes, guys, I'm gonna need a new transmission. Go kill yourself. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna have fun while I can. Gonna have fun while I can. Get the fuck out of here. Nigga on my ass, nigga, you better back up. Oh wait, I gotta roll down. Yes, you guys heard me miss that gear. Y'all see me miss the gear. Cry me a fucking river, god damn it. Oh no, the back window's down now. What the fuck? Sorry, bit. Sorry, bit. Sorry, bit. Why is this kid riding my ass? He took his mom's Cadillac and think he's gonna street race with it. Not with me, pal. In front of us probably stolen. No cab. Nah, I'm gonna get over. They got some big ass trucks over there. Why would the fucking minivan slow? I fucking hate drivers. Like, this shit don't make sense. The fuck is a minivan slow down for? God damn. Well, duh, the minivan was slowing down to protect the kids, but fuck, he didn't need to. There was nowhere near him. Sporters need to get over. Look at the fucking Sportage. Is he not gonna get over? Going across the river, boys. I should have showed y'all the river. I'm bogus. I don't think I can anymore. I'm telling you, these bitches underrated. These bitches bark for real. I feel like Infinities are slept on in like most of the country, but in certain places like here in Minnesota, New York, and California, they like them too, but I feel like the whole country don't like them as much as they should. They fucking good cars, especially for the price. They're the fastest cars in their fucking bracket for the price. I mean, look at this shit. Like, imagine having a manual too. Well, I'd fuck up the street if I had a manual. Niggas would not want me to get a manual. What the fuck? There ain't nobody on the road though. There was a lot of nice cars up north. But they was old, you know, dope boy cars, big Chevrolets with the big old Rams. Those monkeys. Those monkeys. Bro, this is the weirdest exit. Oh my God. This is so funny. I love the way people look at you when they see you got this thing on your head. Oh, the fans came on. If your fans don't come on in your car, you're not driving right, pussy. Pussy. Uh-oh, Civic, what the fuck? I have to piss. Let's get this show on the road, guys. The fuck do we keep coming to a complete stop for? Cali stop, you fucking weirdos. Have y'all seen that video of the Yukon sliding? That bitch was going crazy. Oh my God, I hate when niggas get scared. Just drive like you have fucking insurance, you weird fuck. Damn, nigga almost hit me. A nigga almost hit me. What are you doing? It's because that dickhead is so out far. What the fuck is he doing? And guys, I'm behind the crosswalk, so don't be yelling at me. Look how she just did that. We could have did that too. Nobody's turning. Nobody fuck with Marshall no more? No, no green light. No green arrow. What the fuck is that dickhead doing? You have the right of way. Just turn. I hate people like that. Like, that would have pissed me off if I was behind them. Big ass Yukon. Ooh, nice little. Ooh. If you see a girl, you always gotta stop. If it's a guy, who the fuck cares? Damn, I'm fucking up. What the fuck, nigga? Stop sleeping on the shift, my boy. I don't know how I feel about they guys. They got 93, but they should be. I be feeling like it's watered down. I swear, when I get in my car, I should be burning that shit. But look now, I just filled it up. Put like 20 in this bitch, is already back at a quarter tank. Yeah, baby, let's fly. Man, no, I ain't gonna lie. I never used to get flipped on. Like, when 12 would see me speeding in the Sportage, they would not flip on me like they do in this car, man. I done got flipped on so much. I got flipped on once and I pulled over, and it was Bob Fletcher, because I knew it was him. So I was like, I'm not gonna even try to run from this nigga. Like, I know him, like, he's chill as fuck. So I pull over, he like, we already pulled you over once. I'm nigga, no you haven't, nigga. What? You're crazy as fuck. So he thought I was somebody else speeding and that he had just pulled over. But no, he actually genuinely did not pull me over. I was high as shit. It was really bad. Where's my girlfriend? She's not home yet. That's pretty insane. Hey. They had said, what the fuck? They had funny as hell. God. Did she just go on break? If you just went on break, I'm about to be pissed. That shit go piss me off. But alright. This is the G. Ooh, yeah, my sexy baby. Her fucking, that rattle is my fucking, my heat shield is rattling. There go them fans. Yeah, boys, I'm gonna go look for my girlfriend. You boys stay safe.